So I'm going to do my nails. I have this great tool that I'm gonna use first. So let's get started. So after I'm done with step 1, I'm gonna use my auto tools with step 2. So after I filed my nails, here's what I'm gonna do. I purchased last time a rubber base coat nail polishes. This is how it looks like. It says builder and color rubber base. It's a very thick one. So you don't need a base coat for this, and you don't need a builder either. Last time I did use builder base coat, and then I used this one as a color. I did use a pink one last time, so I'm gonna use this time this. It's more like whitish, grayish, and then you do need a top coat. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. It's a set. I did like it, so let's see how it's gonna turn out without a base coat this time.
That was 7 years ago.
So this is the end result. I did use 3 coats, and then of course the top coat. So 3 and then 1 top coat. It's really thick, so I do like it. I used it one time. It's good for 2 weeks, and after that I can just peel it off. Really thick. So the whole reason I started using the rubber base one, because I was looking something that it doesn't smell. Before I used with the powder liquid, and the smell was just horrible. So I do like it so far. My nails are really thick. Just using I used 3 coats and the top coat. And you do need a UV light. I do recommend getting one. It's your best investment as you can make. So I do recommend that.